Begin the installation by confirming that the handing of the lock body matches the door. When the correct handing is confirmed, install the lock body by feeding the wires and connector into the mortise pocket of the door and out through the inside cylinder hole. Then carefully insert the lock body. Secure the lock body loosely in place with 2 lock body screws. Do not completely tighten the screws at this time. Next, position the outside escutcheon for installation and feed the ribbon cable with the connector and ground wire from the outside of the door through the wire harness hole. With the outside lever in a horizontal position, place the outside escutcheon on the door by inserting the mounting posts through the door and lock body. On the inside of the door, insert the inside adapter and plate assembly with the spindle into the square hole of the Mortise Lock and loosely secure with 2 through-bolt screws. Thread the cylinder into the lock body until the cylinder is flush with the escutcheon surface and the Sargent logo is horizontal and on the top of the cylinder. Secure the cylinder in place by tightening the cylinder clamp screw located above the deadbolt using a Phillips screwdriver. Perform an operational check by inserting the key and rotating it to throw and retract the latch and deadbolt. There should be no friction from obstructions. Remove the cover from the inside escutcheon by removing the security screw with the provided tool. Attach the reader assembly ribbon cable. Attach the ground wire. Attach the cable from the Mortise Lock to the controller assembly. Be sure to connect the lock body connector in the proper position with the wires directly against the escutcheon. Connect the AX/DPS connector to the 2-pin harness. Push the 2 connectors from the raceway in the door over the controller assembly through the gap between the plastic controller assembly and the escutcheon to the front of the circuit board. Gently fold the excess ribbon cable and wires, being careful not to pinch them. While positioning the inside escutcheon for installation, ensure that the thumb turn properly engages the slot in the lock body. Secure the inside escutcheon to the door with 2 through-bolt screws. Slide the lever handle onto the spindle until it is fully seated and tighten the set screw securely. Install the 2 connectors from the door raceway and position the cable on the right side of the escutcheon. Lining up its tabs with their retaining slots, attach the inside escutcheon cover and secure with the security screw using the provided tool. Perform a thumb turn check by rotating it to throw the deadbolt and confirm it retracts when rotating the inside lever. Perform an operational check of the keypad by pressing each button and hearing a beep after each number pressed. A double beep will sound after the asterisk is pressed. Perform a mechanical operational check by inserting the key and rotating it to throw and retract the latch and deadbolt. There should be no friction from obstructions. The door will lock and only operate with the mechanical key until the lock has been programmed with the network and lock configuration tool software. Finally, tighten the lock body screws and attach the front plate with 2 flathead screws.